German road repair is really strange. Repairing the road is like a shot. They first insert a tube into the ground, followed by a pool of liquid. Slowly the liquid began to expand upward, and instantly the depressed section will be filled until the same height as the ground. It turns out that this is a concrete pavement filler. Once in contact with the air or moisture in the body, a chemical reaction will occur, rapid expansion, and then hardening, so as to achieve the repair of the road. Just do not know how long such a way to repair the road can last? Follow me next issue to bring you more interesting science knowledge.